up, everybody? It's your boy JD from 3B&G R6. We're heading down south to a little classic car and bike show. It should be a nice turnout. We got a good amount of us going. And look at the day, huh? The sun is shining, the clouds are parting. There's a cruise ship in the bay. I mean, it's a beautiful day. Let's go. But yeah, anyways, come along with us. I'm about to go meet up with the crew, the DTR crew, and yeah, we're gonna go have ourselves a day. Come along with us, everybody. Oh, and thank you to all of our new subscribers. I really hope you hit that bell notification deal thingamajigger so you guys know, because we're always posting shorts and we appreciate you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm still rocking the new camera angle because everybody got a lot of good comments. They said they like it better, so it's staying. I got you guys. All right, everybody. Hello. Alright, everybody, well, before I went to the meetup spot, I'm a little bit early, so I figured I'd come downtown, take a quick little cruise. I know we've been having some high surf, which is kind of cool because the surfers are loving it. They all called out today. They all called out from work and went surfing. But yeah, it's a nice day. Got some people, like I said before, there you can see it. There's the big cruise ship that's in town. So when that thing's in town, you're gonna see a lot of people walking around, and I love it, man. It's just people enjoying the town, people enjoying the weather. I mean, this is what it's all about, you know? Alright, so this is the crew we got today. We got George, Peter, ya boy Sammy V, Ryan, Papa Gene, the legendary Riding High Hawaiian, and your boy JD. Oh, this is gonna be good fun. This is a good group. I'm happy, happy, happy. Alright, everybody, I'll turn on when we get to some of the twisties. Everybody, I did not have my camera on for that entire fucking twisty ass road, but that was fucking good. I had my other camera on that was looking at me, so that should be a good view. But hey, wait, no, like the black dude at fucking at the shopping market. Hey! I'm gonna be this guy. Shee-you. On that grabber. Yes, sir. We made it. High five. High five. Yeah. This is it,
Diamonds, baby.
my man George. Alright,
I take you to the back of the room and tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. Hey, I take you to the back of the room and tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I'm gone, I'm out of the stratosphere. She told me I'm faded, can you get me out of here? Take me to the back of the room, I'll let you explore my body. Man, I'm so sick of all them people trying to take my money. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, yeah. She's so hot, she said, baby, let's go to the moon. But I'm so tired, I just wanna chill in the back of the room. I said, put the body on me, let me set the mood. But baby, smoke that joint and vibe, put me to the tune. She see that jury drip on me, I know it turns her on. If we make it to the bed, we gon' continue to the moon. She got the passion for my name like nobody else. Man, I swear I'm so selfish, I just want her to myself. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, hey. I'm gone now. She gone, hey. Take it to the back room, tell me how you feel. She's so bad, you just wanna fucking smoke, poppin' pills. Make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a meal. I see that water, like it, buy it, get it. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. Baby girl, how you feel now? She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. So bad, yeah. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a meal. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. She's so bad, she just wanna fucking smoke and pop them pills. I make a lot of hits, one day they go worth a bill. I see it, I want it, I get it, who gives a damn about a bill? I'm gone, yeah. She gone, hey. I'm gone now. She gone, hey. I take you to the back of the room, now tell me how you feel. Baby girl, yeah. I make a lot of hits, one day they gon' worth a meal. I know that. I'm gone, yeah. She gone, hey.
Oh great, now Peter's gonna crash into me. Okay, now Gene's throwing shit up at me. We hit traffic. Alright, well, we had that little pause waiting for everybody to catch up, but now we are here. And let's see if we can't find the DTR crew. Where are, oh, there you guys are. We made it. Ooh, nice Triumph. Harley. Ooh, look at the blue one. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. Get in where you fit in. Hey, Sean's here.
Videographer. I saw them when I was headed to KJ.
Huh?
I saw them when I was headed to KJ. Oh, we made it, everybody. That was such a boring ride in traffic. I know, right? Fuck. I got wound up.
You got this live music.
I was thinking it. I was like, dude, Mike would have loved that guy, dude.
All right, everybody. Well, we're just now leaving the car and motorcycle show, and yeah, you know, it was all right. It was pretty small time, and yeah, you still had some nice cars there and nice bikes there, but yeah, it was pretty chill. I didn't want to eat or anything because I haven't slept since yesterday, so I didn't want to pass out. So we're gonna head down to the little grocery store here and grab something to drink and skedaddle on home. All right, I'll turn on when we get to the twisties. All right, everybody, we just gassed up, fueled up the bikes ourselves, and we are on that journey home. What a great day, man. I had such a good time. I mean, there wasn't really a lot going on, but just to be with the boys, be with the crew, you know, I love it, dude. And go down and mingle with some of the old dogs too, man. Ah, what a great day, man. I sacrificed all my sleep so that I can do this, and I tell you what, totally worth it. Totally fucking worth it. Let's go, baby.
Alright everybody, we just gassed up, fueled up the bikes ourselves, and we are on that journey home.
Tired as fuck, boy. Are you gonna jump on it all? All right, man. Great day, bro. Great fucking day.